Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just want to say a big thank you to everyone that subscribed to the channel. The other day we reached over 1,000 subscribers, and I just want to say a big thank you. Because of you, we would never have got there. So this is just a little special video of a Lister H type that me and my brother James picked up from Peterborough over the weekend. So I'll now let him explain a bit about the engine and maybe if we can get it going.
Hi guys, so over Saturday me and Nathan went up to Peterborough to pick up this 1921-1922 Lister H Bruston engine. The Bruston stands for a lighting plant engine. As you may notice if you know your Lister H2R range, on the Bruston engines they had a vertical carburettor but faced down with a little fuel chamber instead of the choke wheel. They also was fitted with a little brass oiler or a little grease cup, and also they had the larger diameter flywheels. Another thing they also had was a weight on the longer governor arm here. It was to help speed the engine up. It's obviously be running fast, running a generator. And some earlier Bruston engines were fitted with flick mag, whereas this one is on a ML chain driven magneto, but this is believed to be one of the last Bruston H types that they made in 1921-22. So it's literally just on the verge from flick mag to chain drive. And the later H types also had the sump further to the left hand side, whilst my other Lister H type of 1913 with a flick mag has got the sump in the middle. So we'll start the engine up and see if it will get going. And also the exhaust as well, it's fitted with a Lister L exhaust, and it's also an original Lister A and B type trolley. Apart from that, that's the original features on the engine. Obviously it's fitted with much more of a smaller cooling tank. Obviously keep the size down. So yeah, we'll get the engine and see if it fires up. So I'm going to put a bit of fuel in the bowl here to get it over the pipe. And then turn the dial on, and then we'll quickly spin the engine over to get some fuel. So just flick the oiler on, and hopefully it will go. I would also like to add that the serial number is 29808 for you that are interested, and it's rated at 450 RPM, or the 2-horse versions which are 500 RPM, which this one is, as it's the lighting set version. And yeah, so again, thank you for hitting 1,000 subscribers, and hope to see you in the next one.